At Nerdio, our mission is simple. Empower IT teams to deliver secure, flexible, and cost-effective virtual desktop environments with ease. Organizations across industries are turning to Azure Virtual Desktop, Windows 365, and Microsoft Intune to streamline operations and support hybrid work. We help them get there faster with less complexity and lower costs. With Nerdio Manager for Enterprise, customers get a unified platform to manage their entire Microsoft Cloud endpoint environment without the need to switch between tools to manage Azure Virtual Desktop, Windows 365, and Microsoft Intune. Let me show you what that looks like in action. Take Sage, a global payroll firm. With Nerdio, they eliminated manual workloads and saved $1.5 million annually, scaling from 200 to 1,000 customers without hiring 20 new engineers. With our intuitive interface and Microsoft's native tools, Sage streamlined operations, empowered their internal teams, and redirected their focus to strategic growth. Outokumpu, a leader in stainless steel production, slashed their virtual desktop infrastructure migration time by 90%, from months to days, with Nerdio's automation and simplified cloud management. We help them optimize resources and boost agility. No more overspending, no specialized consultants required. And in Southern California, the city of Corona relied on us to unify Azure Virtual Desktop, Microsoft Intune, and Windows 365, strengthening security and simplifying operations for a small but mighty IT team. With automated policies and centralized controls, their team now operates with greater confidence, protecting systems, users, and budgets. Nerdio brings a flexible, customer-first approach to every migration. No matter your size or industry, we help you modernize fast, saving time, money, and effort along the way. Being a Microsoft partner is central to Nerdio's success. As a company deeply embedded in the Azure marketplace, Nerdio's partnership with Microsoft enables customers to easily access Microsoft technologies like Azure Virtual Desktop, support for Windows 365, and Microsoft Intune, ensuring Nerdio can quickly deliver solutions at scale that are fully integrated, secure, and optimized for the Microsoft Cloud. Our partnership empowers Nerdio to help organizations of all sizes accelerate cloud adoption with confidence, simplicity, and cost efficiency. We're proud to partner with Microsoft to help organizations take Windows to the cloud by unlocking the full potential of Azure Virtual Desktop and Windows 365 faster, smarter, and with confidence.